morning, everyone. It is Friday. I'm feeding Peter my sourdough with my flour and my water. He's a very thick boy right now. My muffins are in the microwave. In the oven. If only you could see them. There they go. And I'm watching Timmy's Takeout. And that's our morning for today. It is 11 o'clock and I woke up probably like 30 minutes ago. I picked up a shift again at the WikiPow. So we'll be working there 4 to 11, but at buffet this time. We won't be working at the market and the bingo. We're gonna be working at the buffet. An hour less. It's a big thank you to my feet. It is significantly lower in pay. It's $104, but hey, that's $104 I didn't have. So let's get it. So it's 8 o'clock and I've been here for 4 hours. I'm so tired, my feet hurt. But I just learned I get off an hour earlier. It's not 4 to 11, it's 4 to 10, which means I came in an hour later and I'm leaving an hour earlier than I did yesterday. I'm so happy. And then they requested me for another shift because the GM said that I was such a hard worker. He was like 5 out of 5, 5 out of 5, and he recommended me to all the other GMs, so now they all want me. I'll catch you guys when I get off in 2 hours. Yeah, I'm on my break. I get off in 30 minutes, but it's raining. We love a rainy night in Arizona. Look at that. That's beautiful. Hey, y'all. I know it's dark, but we're just getting home. It is around 11:15. I got up like 30 minutes late, but I was trying to rack up that time, boo. Like, I needed a little extra money. So, yeah. Like I said, they scheduled me for Sunday as well. So I'm gonna go to church and then I'll take a nap and then go after. We'll see if they need me tomorrow. If not, I'm going to Instacart because I had to pay for my Wi-Fi bill, girl. I paid my phone bill last night, thank the Lord, and I got some gas tonight. This morning. I got some gas. So, yeah. All right, I'm going to go inside and take a shower, give me something to eat, and have my little time with the Lord, my big time with the Lord. I will see you guys tomorrow. Hey y'all, I am so tired. This is like one little hair. Stop making a fool of me, little hair. Like, get to the side. Act cute. Like, act casual. Because it won't fit into my ponytail. Because I trimmed it. It was like, that's just going to have to do. Today's Saturday. And we are Instacarting. I picked up a $29 order. If it sounds like I just rolled out of bed, I did. It's 10:15. And yeah, I did. Just roll out of bed like 5 minutes ago. Put some clothes on. And now we're Instacarting. So yeah, picked up a $29 order. Our goal for today is $75. That means after this order, I need to make another $45. But it's not bad. It's like $29 for 2.5 miles. 2 houses. Brilliant. Love it. And yeah. Come with me. All right, we're dropping off our part of our second order, and they have all of these drinks and the food. So yeah, and then we'll be done and we'll be looking for another order. So I'll get back to you guys soon. Hey y'all, I dropped off the order. The lady was super nice. Yeah, so I dropped off the order and I was gonna go home and make me a coffee and get something to eat, but then I got another order and it's for $31. I think it's like 7.5 miles, and 2 orders, so 2 drop-offs, and they're both at Costco. The last one was at Fry's, this one's at Costco. And yeah, we're here because Costco wasn't that far away. So I was like, okay, immediately pull up. It's 11:50 right now. So let's get up in that Costco, guys, and get that shmoney, boy. Okay, we just finished that order. It's 1:30. We're waiting for another order. It is so hot, and it was just so many heavy things. Gosh. But $15 away from our Wi-Fi goal. And hopefully there will be more orders after that so we can start saving some more money for other bills. But I hope everybody's doing good on this lovely Saturday. The Saturday before Jesus Christ came back. All right, guys, I'll catch you on my next order whenever I get one. Hey, y'all. So as y'all can see, we are back at home. So I'm waiting for an order, and my friend's gonna come over because she's bored. So she's gonna help me Instacart. Yeah, she's gonna have me Instacart. So I was like, man, I kind of need to tidy up my home before people come over. So I threw some stuff in the washer, made my bed. Now I'm feeding Peter, and then I'm going to give a good little sweep around the house. So I do 2 1/3 cups of my unbleached and enriched all-purpose flour. I use tap water. Some people say, oh, you need to use filtered water or water from water bottles or purified water. I'm not, listen, Peter is strong. Peter is strong. He has been growing with tap water this whole time with me. So that's what we're going to continue to use. Look how thick he is. He needs some more water. I kind of go by feel. Like before, I was underfeeding him, and he would always have this like film on the top. And like when he's really hungry, he smells like alcohol. Like literally like hooch. But you stare that in and you just feed him. But I would literally feed him every day. He would still be hungry. He would still be so thin, so watery. He would still have that film on top. Until I went to the farmer's market with my friend, and I was like, this man was selling sourdough starter. I was like, man, do you have some? He's like, no, I ran out. I was like, well, I have my own at home. And it should, he's like, well, what's wrong with it? I said, it's so watery, it's so liquidy. He's like, you're not feeding it enough. I said, no, I feed it every day. He said, no, you're not feeding it enough. So I had to look it up. And I was trying to do the 1-1-1 method. 100 of flour, 100 of water. That's not enough. That is not enough for thick boy. Okay? He does not need just one of these. Oh, sorry, I did not know there was still water in there. He does not just need one of these. He needs 2 of these. He's a thick boy. He's a hungry boy, growing boy. And then I usually do like a 1/2 of this. 1 1/2. There we go. Gotta spray Peter off the walls so he goes back in with the colony. And that it should look like batter. Like that is a lot better, as you can see. Like, he tripled yesterday. Like, he literally, let's see, he was right here. He went up here. I was like, boy, chill. So I'm probably gonna make some bread with him. Y'all know I made 2 pans of muffins, 1 for my Bible study, 1 for me. I froze the rest. I froze the ones that I won't eat this week. So I give myself 3 muffins for the rest of this week. And then the rest of them are frozen. And I'm probably going to make a loaf of bread. So, yeah. But like I said, my friend's coming over. So we're going to Instacart. And I'm going to pay for my wife a bill so we'll have some TV to watch. I actually need to pay my subscriptions. That's kind of saddening. Side-eye. Anywho. One thing at a time, babes. One thing at a time. But, yeah, and we're going to cook steak tonight. So I'm going to cook some steak, potatoes, maybe a side salad. Right? All my friends know, like, babes, like, bring the food and I'll cook it. Like, I do not like buying food. So, like, buying food that I don't already have type of thing. Like, if you want something different, you're going to have to bring the ingredients and I'll cook it. Like, it doesn't matter. I'll cook it. Y'all can chill. Okay. Whoever said that, like, when you, like, do sourdough, use all your utensils in the house, and you'll use, like, so many paper towels, that is actually so true. If I don't use paper towel, I just use my scrubber so much, like. See how thick he is? Anywho. Alright. Well, let's finish cleaning up my house, and then we're going to check the Instacart app and see if they have anything going on. Alrighty, I'll catch you guys later. Hey y'all, so I got a $31 order, and after my friend came and we shopped that, and it was at Aldi's and 99 Ranch Market, and we dropped that off, and now we're at Fry's and we picked up a $17 order. So now we're gonna do our drop-offs. We've already hit our point of paying for our Wi-Fi, but it's always good to make a little extra just in case. My friend's dying over here with no AC, but I'm very lucky to have her for today to help me shop. But yeah, we're gonna go soon to pick up some food so we can cook for tonight and have a little chill night in, because someone doesn't want to go out with me tonight. All by myself.
You get on my nerves.
All right, we'll catch you guys later. Hey y'all, so we're back. I ended up getting another order after we spoke, and I made about $150 today, which was awesome. I haven't been able to make that in so long, so I'm actually really proud. And then we went to the Asian food market, picked up some steak, some broccoli. We cooked some, I made them some steak, some shrimp and broccoli. I cut up some potatoes and made like potato wedges. And then we just bought some like Parmesan bread, and then we made cookies. So it's been a good day, a good Saturday, thank God. I just took a shower, put on my PJs. Now I'm gonna brush my teeth and spend some time with the Lord so I can hit the bed, because I have to be up early in the morning so I can serve and I can go to church and then come home, take a nap, and then I picked up another shift at the casino. They requested me to work 3 to 11. So yeah, but that'll be for next week's vlog. So I just wanted to close out this vlog with a night routine. And I actually did end up paying my Wi-Fi. So our Wi-Fi is back on. Very happy about that. I do have enough money left to fill up my car because I, if you don't know, I go to church a little farther away. So I know by the time I get back, my gas tank's gonna be hurting. So I'll fill up my car, and yeah, it's been a very good week. I am glad to have finished the hiring process because it literally was like 8 steps long, and it's taken 2 months, so it's been such a long time. So I should hear back within a couple days, seeing if I got the job or not. I don't see why I wouldn't, because everything should come back clear. So yeah, and yeah, just applying for part-time jobs to go alongside this until, you know, I get back on my feet, where I'm able to just, you know, work the one job. Yeah, and I'm also thankful just to have made like extra money, you know, to put towards some bills, and then we're requesting me for new shifts for next week, so I really don't have to worry too much. You know, hopefully the more come, the more they'll be like, oh yeah, we need you for some more days this week, or like the days they don't need me, I'll just like pick up Instacart like I did today. So it will all work out. But I want to say thank you for watching. If you got this far, I hope that if you are also in a struggle season, that you know that you're gonna make it out. Like, God has a plan for us, and it'll happen. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.